Do you need emergency garage door repair because your teenager hit reverse and backed into the garage door? Or are you stuck out in the rain because your remote quit working or your doors come off the track? We can help. We offer emergency garage door repair service and installations. We're licensed and insured and ready to help you fix your garage door today. We offer free estimates and emergency repair. Please give us a call at the number below or visit our website to request immediate and professional service you can count on.